Boys, whether you're a man of class or more simply a low-life ass, you've probably heard of the new Xbox Gucci situation that's going on. Gucci and Xbox have now created what we call a mega baby. Now these puppies run for $10,000. They're dropping today, boys, and there's only 100 of them, which means there's not a lot. Now to be honest with you boys, I'm not much of a gamer, but like I stated before, I am one of the mans of motherfucking class.
I'm a bad motherfucker though. I'm a good man. I can get you in 6 months.
Which means I needed to own this system ASAP so I could review it for you guys. I went through lengths on lengths to achieve this item. Starting with a beautifully put email to Gucci explaining why I need it for free, you see? I also linked some pictures that I own Gucci. There's one and there's the other. How do you like them apples? If that wasn't enough, I also attached a picture of my watch. This is a Gucci diamond watch that I smashed out of rage. Gucci, I said, watch out if you don't give me that Xbox, you bags of shit. Now it's time to finally say my journey has ended, boys. We will now review the Gucci/Xbox 2021 or whatever. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Boys, real quick, if you guys want to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below. That means a lot. And if you haven't done that or you need an excuse, we're also giving away a free gold rope chain. If we get 500 thumbs up within the day, all you gotta do is like and comment down below. I had somebody in the last video being like, you're always giving these away. I've already given some away. Actually, one in the past. This is taking you guys forever to read. So I've like bought more. Anyway, welcome to the video. This video is brought to you by Ridge Wallet, by the way. Just let me go grab it. It was in my other pants pocket, which means I actually use the product. Boys, this is Ridge Wallet, not only Ridge Wallet, the new wallet. Look at the comparison real quick. If you guys haven't heard of them, there's a link down below. As you guys can see with the super sleek design and this little button right here, when you push up, you got your cards, easy access, not like a regular wallet that has a bunch of crap in it. You really can't keep it organized, you know what I mean? With the Ridge Wallet, you can. You can keep your money right there at the back. That's a lot of cash, ain't it? And a key point to mention, this little card thing right here actually holds up to 12 cards, which is just enough. You're gonna get 15% off for a holiday sale using the code NameBran. Now this 15% off code only goes till December 7th, so if you guys are trying to do Christmas shopping or anything like that, go check them out. Link down below. Ridge Wallet, we appreciate you. Back onto our business. Alright boys, back to the Xbox. After I hit up Gucci, they pretty much just blocked me. They didn't hit me up or anything. So we don't actually have the Xbox, but me being the creative soul I am, we're actually going to make the Xbox today. The same thing that it's going to look like if you got the same box of the what is that one? Xbox box? I don't know what that one's called. I'm just going to show you how to make it for free, so when the girls come over and watch you play a freaking Warzone or Teletubbies, I'm sure they've got a game, then you can look cool and bougie. Oh, Brandon, how are we going to do it? Well, let me bring the teacher out real quick. Hey kids, welcome to NameBran's craft class. This is gonna be so fun. Bring your family over or tell them to go themselves. Now follow along on this journey as we make a really cool Gucci Xbox to show to all your friends. First step, go grab your Xbox, boys. We're getting down to business. Make sure you grab it real nice. You don't want to drop the Oh dear Lord. Alright boys, you got your Xbox. That may or may not be working, that I also apparently used as an eating tray. Now if you don't have an Xbox and you're a PS5 fan, well frig off bro, because Gucci doesn't mess with you. This is Xbox only, please. Just kidding, do what you want. You can do this to PS5 too. Next ingredient, grab that stupid envelope you got on your counter next to you. So boys, this is the last thing you need. What this is right here is something from Amazon. Amazon didn't sell it, but it was a seller on Amazon I had to get it custom made to. I'm sure there's another website, but this was faster shipping. So what we have in here, boys, is actual print, hopefully. I haven't actually looked at it yet, clearly. Let's just freaking do this. Actual print, the same print of the Gucci print on this said Xbox. Not said Xbox, I don't know. I'm trying to act all smart in this video because gamers are hopefully gonna watch and I feel like they respect smartness. And here we go. So this is what I did. I sent them files, boys. I don't even think you need to send files and go to that extent. Alright, so here's our stick. They didn't turn out, what the fuck? They turned out horrible. What the hell is that? So they ran out of printer ink. They also have the logo of desktop there. What the f? Anyway, these are stickers. I'm going to show you how to apply them on the Xbox. Why do you need help with that? Because I'm a trained professional, actually. For the first time, I can say that truthfully. Boys, I used to wrap cars and like put all the cool pictures on cars and stuff before doing YouTube as a job. So I'm a trained professional. I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically, what we're doing is we're laying these stickers on the Xbox real professional-like, and by the end of the time of the video, then it's going to look super sick and you didn't have to pay $10,000 and look like an asshole. Sounds good? Let's go get our knives. Oh, you need a knife too. Don't tell your mom. I don't think I can say that. Tell your mom. So first off, clean off all the crap on your Xbox, and I'm pretty sure if this looks good, some of you guys are gonna replicate it, and don't you worry, there still is gonna be a little review at the end. I will test my Xbox, see if it actually works again, and I will review how it runs with the system, the specialty Gucci Xbox. There will be $10,000 in the title because I made it. It's not clickbait. I am gonna put it up on eBay for $10,000. Oh, so that's how it works. Just like that, it looks like they pretty much just printed this out of a crap printer, and you just get this right here. Oh, it's a perfect size almost. Dude, this is gonna look so sick at the end. Just lay it out. Oh, fuck. Not like that. Okay, that's gonna work. Boom, just lay it out like that, boys. Got the first piece. You're like, oh, it's not on straight, because you're right. Shoot. So carefully place on like so. Blow, and continue the sticking process. Fuck. God damn it, bro. This is what we actually do, you know? We usually use what's called a squeegee, but actually I think I did steal one of those from work. I just can't remember where it is. I spit on it and it's already got a hole. God damn it. I think it might be sweat. Boom. That's what we got so far. As you guys can see, we got a little extra corner here. We're just gonna take the knife and cut it right off. This is craft time. Don't get it twisted with Bran. Fuck me. Oh God. You know, this isn't the right environment to be working like this. It's humid in the house. I'm sweating. I've had a yoint, which I don't promote. And all around, I should be a little bit less stressed out. But now this is making me stressed out because it gave me crap. Front's done except for that spit mark. This paper is super, super thin. I think we're just gonna fix it with worse. Next, boys, the front. We got the side here. I'm just gonna rapid fire this so we can get this baby testing out because I'm still really stressed that it's broken and I kinda wanna plug it in ASAP. On to the front. What do we want? Do we want that for the front or do we want this black one for the front? You can't even see the damn thing. I'm peeved. I think we're gonna have this for the front, but I am peeved. Something like that we're gonna go for. As Bran resticks the next part of this, we have a quick ad of telling Gucci and Xbox to go F themselves. 100 pieces for $10,000. Are you serious? Nobody can afford that. Boys, this is actually looking so good. Oh man. So we got that piece down, boys. Just time to cut the top, make it look all real nice and stuff. Slice through your Xbox, boys. That's all it takes. Boom, boom, boom. Don't worry about cutting the Xbox. They're kind of crappy anyway, you know what I mean? Dude, this is turning out. So as you can see, that's what we have so far. I actually like that look. I was wondering if I should put this big black piece that's now stuck to everything. Stop, chill, Bran. Oh, okay, we just wrecked that. I was thinking of putting this here, but I kind of like the speckled mark. You know what I mean? And this, we can't do anything because there's a grate and that I think air blows out of it, or maybe that's volume. I'm not too sure how these things work. Next up, this side, we're gonna make our decision. Call the shots, if you will. You know what I mean? I like them apples. Boys, last piece, let's throw her on. Wow, boys, I think we're done. I think I dig it this way. I like the patterning. We could do that side, but we don't have enough material, so we can't. I would actually really like to do that side, but it's just impossible at this point. Implausible, if you will. Boys, boom, we got our own Gucci Xbox. Now we're gonna go test this thing out. First off, let's have a little gamer talk. No, let's test this thing out. I do like it though, except for that little black smudge. This thing looks super sick. All done for like maybe 20 bucks I think it cost me. I'll have to check. You might see it in the title, but that's what it looks like, man. This thing looks super sick. And I didn't spend $10,000 like a dick. Okay, well, quick thing, I kind of covered up the Xbox symbol where you turn it on. You're just gonna have to kind of feel for it and wait for the ding, I'm pretty sure. I don't really think about that part, but it is what it is. All right, boys, she's all plugged in. Time to test her out. Oh my God. Oh, it even looks sick underneath it. It works though, that's, oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna play a game real quick and come back to you guys for the ending. Well, there it is, boys. Let me know how you thought of it. Review time. I hate it. I don't like Xbox. I actually suck at video games. And I tried Call of Duty there for a second just to make sure it was working. It got me pissed off. So anyway, there you go. There's your Xbox. Try to tell me if you do it at home. It's relatively easy. Just don't go through this company. Maybe don't buy it off Amazon. Maybe go through Wish. I swear to God, it might be better. What is this? Anyway, see you later, gamers. Never again. Peace, boys. Thank you.